It's the 2nd of June 2024 and I'm making the video to show the drain system that I've got installed over here on the south side of the house before I cover it up. So let's walk around that and I'll show you why I'm doing this, what products I used, why it was easier than last time. If you remember from last year, I did a couple videos on my drain system for the north side, and I learned last year a few things, and so I'm going to share those. So hopefully my insights help you in case you want to put in a drain system. All right, so you see this side right here, that goes downhill from my neighbor's house, okay? And then on the original part of the house, before I added on, that lower section, see where the roof's lower, that's the old part of the house. Well, I never liked the fact that they basically built the ground on dirt right on the slab, which is, I think it's not a slab, but they didn't raise the foundation up, which was stupid, okay? So then the problem is now all the water leaks down into the basement. I finally have the rain gutters on this side, but then when I was installing the rain gutters, the ground had already froze, so I had to wait till summer so I could get out here and put this in. Now, if you see, when I added on to the garage, the apartment, then you can see I made that high enough above the grade where the water's not going to flow into my house. All right, so what I'm going to do here, where all this dirt is, of course, I'm going to backfill the trench, and then we're going to grade that all out, and it's going to be a patio. But over here, this first line I have, that's my inlet line right there, okay? So all the water, it comes down and it's going to go in the inlet before it'll drain and filter down into my basement. And also my slab, I'm going to have like at least a 1/4 inch per foot fall on my slab. Not too much, but not too little either, so that way the water drains away from my house like it's supposed to. Now you can see right there where I added on the sunroom. See that? You see how I made the foundation much higher than what the other foundation was? That's exactly why. And once I get all that dirt off of the house, then it's all going to grade out like it's supposed to, okay? So you can see where my rain gutters are going to come down, and you can see that I put this downspout right in these like this, and got the clean out here, so if it ever gets full of garbage, I can take that lid off and run a snake down there, whatever I have to do. And this time what I did different is I used the HP, what is this stuff even called? Let's look and see if we can find it. The stuff is called, can you see that?